Almost time. Almost time. Ew, chummy. Cat's home! Cat's home! You're home! You're home!
Down, Kenny. You might hurt Crackers.
Crackers, good bird.
Who's Crackers? And what's he doing here?
I found him while I was walking home from school. He must be lost. Crackers, this is Kenny.
Hi, Kenny.
Hey, did you hear that, Kenny? He said your name.
He's a little feathered chatterbox. Cat, it's getting late. We have to go for our walk.
Sorry, Kenny. I need to make sure Crackers gets adjusted to his new surroundings. You don't mind, do you?
Of course not. It's just that, are you sure you want to do this? I mean, you don't know anything about taking care of birds.
It's just until we can find his real owner. Anyway, if I can take care of you, I can take care of anything. There you go, Crackers.
Crackers, good bird.
Yes, you are.
Cat.
Mom's home. I'm gonna go tell her about Crackers.
Hi, Kenny.
Yeah. Okay, bird. I'm going to make this quick and simple. I'm the #1 pet in this house, so don't get any bird-brained ideas about her liking you more than me, 'cause it ain't gonna happen. Understand?
Cat like Crackers.
No, cat like Kenny.
Cat like Crackers.
No! Listen to me, you overgrown feather duster.
Hey, guys.
Cracker's good bird. Yes, he is.
Mom says I can take care of Crackers while we look for his owner. Isn't that great?
I'm so happy I could scream.
We'll put these up around the neighborhood tomorrow and find your owner.
Right. The sooner the better.
Wow! Thanks, Crackers! Just like staying in a hotel.
Cat like Crackers.
Yes, she does.
You know, Cat, I was thinking that maybe I could sleep in your room tonight, too.
Kenny, you're a tiger shark. You don't sleep.
Yeah, right. But I could learn.
You're just being silly, Kenny.
Silly Kenny.
You're so funny, Crackers.
Yeah. No bootlicking bird is going to take my place. I haven't begun to fight. I'm a regular Leonardo da Sharky. Okay. Now you can look.
You made this? Out of fish?
Only took 5.5 hours. The hardest part was finding the right red. Red snapper was too light and Ruffy was too orange. Thank goodness for sockeye salmon.
Kenny, I can't believe all this.
Just wanted to remind you of what good pals we are.
Does all this have anything to do with Crackers?
What do you mean?
Are you maybe a little jealous?
Jealous?
Well, I really love this. You're the best. I better get ready for school.
Ha ha! You lose, sucker! Kenny's #1!
Cat like Crackers.
Cat like Kenny, you tie-dyed chicken, you!
Kenny, is everything okay down there?
Everything's fine! Oh. Get out of there! What are you doing?
Silly Kenny.
Kenny, spit him out now!
I'm trying!
Now! Are you okay, Crackers?
Crackers, good bird.
Yes, you are. And you are a very bad shark.
He flew in my mouth!
Right. Come on, Crackers. Let's go up to my room. Kenny, you can stay down here and think about what you've done.
Cat like crackers.
My birthday party's gonna be so cool, Cat. We're gonna have a piñata full of candy and a chocolate cake in the shape of a Mayan pyramid.
I can hardly wait until tonight.
Wait! I just had a great idea. You could bring Crackers and we could dress him up as Kukulkan, the Mayan bird god.
Cool. Now, Kenny, you promise to take good care of Crackers while we're out?
I swear on my mother's chum.
Kenny.
Honest, Cat. If it's the last thing I do, I will take care of that bird.
Okay, Oscar. Let's go put up some posters.
Adios, amigo.
Adios, amigo. I'd like to adios you.
Silly Kenny.
You want to see how silly I am? You want to see silly? I'm gonna show you silly. Crackers, bad bird. Crackers, messy bird. Cat not like Crackers so much now. Hold on. Wait. Where are you going, seed sucker? Where are you, Featherbrain? I'm gonna stuff a pillow with you right now.
Come here, you dirty little worm eater!
See, Kenny.
Where'd you go? Come out and fight like a bird. Let go! Let go of my fin!
Silly Kenny.
What's wrong? Having a bad feather day? Oh no! What have I done? His fault.
Silly Kenny.
I'm sorry, Cat, but since your pets are your responsibility, this mess is too.
And the one upstairs and the one in the kitchen. I hope you don't have any plans this weekend.
Oscar's birthday party tonight.
I'm sorry, Peach. You can't leave the house until this is all cleaned up.
Oh no! I never meant for Cat to get in trouble.
Crackers, bad bird.
We've got to do something.
Crackers like cat.
Look, let's call a truce. We both care about Cat, and that's what's important. Cat, let us help.
Haven't you two done enough?
It was all my fault.
Crackers, bad bird.
No, it was me. I was jealous. I thought you liked Crackers more than me.
You big dumb fish. Just because I liked Crackers doesn't mean I liked you any less.
I know that now.
Wow. Good job, Cat. The house looks great.
Do you think I could still go to Oscar's birthday party?
Well, you have cleaned up everything, so okay.
Great!
Yes, I believe you have crackers.
Crackers, good bird.
Thank you so much for finding him. Would it be okay if I gave you a reward?
Would you consider lending crackers to us for another couple hours?
To the left.
Okay, buddy, I got this covered.